Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, as you can see, my lights are in. I didn't make a video again of how I do the lights because I did it previously, so you can go back and look at those videos. I think I will put a link down below so you can go to that channel, episodes of how I put the lights on. But my lights work with power. But I'm still going to put some fairy lights in for the lampshade I made for the daughter's room. And then someone made this little small one for a bathroom. It's just a bottle cap, an energy bottle cap. And I pasted one of those little jewelry thingy-majingies, and I pasted down underneath just to make it a bit different. That one bathroom. And then here this is where the stairs is supposed to be. So I'm not going to put a light here for now because I still don't know how I'm going to make my stairs. That is my next problem after this. But yeah, my daughter's room got lights, so I'm quickly going to put the lights in. Again, I'm not going to put it on video because I'm just going to turn it around. Just be careful for the... Oh, there goes my... okay, I will get it now. My bathroom light. So when I turn it around, I'm just gonna put nails on inside it just to keep it down and everything, because I don't want to use glue here. And put on the inside, I'm gonna put the lights for the daughter's room and for the bathroom. And I'm gonna put because I've got all this extra piece of fairy lights, so I'm just going to put fairy lights in here. So yeah, all of that I did in previous videos. I will put links down below, and then you can go, if you want to see how I put the lights in, go back to those videos and look there. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I've pasted and put all the fairy lights in. I pasted it down, but I'm soon going to have to take all the staple off and take all the fairy lights out again, because this was not part of the old house or the other part of the house that I built. There was not so many fairy lights left, and I still got a lot of them left, but I'm going to try and use by the LAPA. So yeah, that's from talking from the LAPA. That's why I'm gonna have to take everything off, even the rooms. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I have to take it off because next thing is the LAPA, and then the stairs. I must figure out something with the stairs. I've got an idea in mind. I must just maybe ask my husband's help with that. But yeah, let me just show you how it looks like with all the lights on. So there it is now with just the fairy lights. There's my lampshade for the bathroom, and then I just put a light in here because like I said, the stairs come here, so maybe I'm gonna have to cut a hole. And I think rather if I put lights here, it must be against the walls for the stairs and underneath here. And then here is the beautiful chandelier I made for the daughter. I think it looks beautiful, and yeah, it fits in the teenager's room. So there it is with all of this. So that is only with the fairy lights, the rooms. And let me put on the power now so you can see that. So that is now with the electric lights and the fairy lights on. So yeah, I think it looks gorgeous. Oh, and of course the daughter's room is my favorite room now. I love everything in here, and I was waiting so long to make the room for the daughter. So yeah, and she's also happy with her room. So I'm going to put off the fairy lights now only with the electric lights. So yeah, there it is now with only the electric lights in the room. So there is more than enough lights in the rooms. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, next is then the stairs up here, and then the lava. I must do the lava, but I must incorporate, that's why I'm start with the stairs, because I must first put the stairs before I can actually lay out the plans for the lapa or barbecue area. So yeah, there's my house with the lights. I am so happy and so chuffed with this house. But yeah, first things now I must do is of course cleaning up from the start. The whole room is in dismay again, because that is what happens when I work. So yeah, I must first clean up here before I go on with anything else. So with all this house that I finished till so far now, and everyone's following me, and all the likes, I say thank you for that. Everyone that subscribed to my channel, I so thank you for that. And if you do like the videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to these videos and it's the first time you see, please press that subscribe button and the notification little bell next to that. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and then you can get notifications. If you do push that little bell, you will get notifications for every time I load up a video. But yeah, so far I'm very proud of myself, and I'm impressed with my house. Of course, okay, so like I said, next is the lapa area and the stairs, and then when I finish with that, on top there's still going to be a guest room with the laundry, and on that side there is going to be a whole about 2-bedroom apartment on that side on top. So it's going to be 3 stories. So yeah, keep on watching. Until next time, bye.